have in our background. So this camp is a rockin', don't come a knockin' couple. Yeah,
Schellenbergs.
That's right, the Schellenbergs. So here we are. We made it.
Yeah.
Good morning, it's day 2 of our Dempster Highway trek up to the Arctic Ocean, and I just want to show you a little bit of the views. It's incredible, this Tombstone Territorial Park. It just goes on forever. You know, we're going to go up that way and then we're going to travel out there. But just look at how massive this place is, completely untouched. Just incredible. If only we had a drone. Here we are at Eagle Plains. just filled up with some gas over there. Right there. And I pulled down right where Jim and Carol are. And I picked up a flat. A bloody flat. If you can believe it, I got a flat in the parking lot of Eagle Plains gas station. And so here we are. We are getting it repaired. I guess if there's a good place to have a flat, I guess it's right here. Stay tuned. Yep, so here we are. Been through an awful lot. Got a flat tire in Eagle Plains and repaired and back on the road, and we have now finally arrived at the Arctic Circle. So here we are.
Yay!
We made it. So here we are. One trip around and away we go. Okay, so here we are, Tuktoyaktuk, Northwest Territories, at Grandma's kitchen. We're waiting for Grandma. She's in preparing some bread, and that's her little trailer over there. She's gonna make up a little bit of food, and in here she's got a really nice display of some clothes, souvenirs and stuff like that. So we just thought we'd show you around. But you know, this is her balcony out here, a beautiful place. Let's just go inside. Okay, here we are. We are with the grandma of all grandmas, Grandma's kitchen here in Tuktoyaktuk, Northwest Territories. Just wanted to say thank you very much. We've got our muktuk. We're going to take it back to the campsite for Jim and Carol and all of us to have. So thank you very much, Grandma.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Okay, here's the muktuk challenge at the campsite here. We just step back a little bit. We got Schellenberg Chalet and the Geerage Chalet. So here we are with the muktuk. Everybody has theirs. Who knows which one's better? Oh, there's Jim. Jim gonna go for there he goes. Yeah? Okay, on to Carol.
It's great.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Donna?
Actually, it tastes like tuna.
Does it? Okay.
You know what?
And there's me.
A little dip of lemon.
Oh, that would be good, yeah.
Salt.
Here we go.
Yeah. No,
That's what it looks like.
That's not bad.
There.
That would be great.
We were told by Grandma that it had to be eaten cold, so. Oh. That's actually really tasty.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
There's one, too.
I'm not going for more.
No, I'll go for a second.
No, I'm good.
I'll take the big one.
It was good though. It
Yep.
was not bad.
I'll go for it. Thank you, Grandma. Well prepared and enjoyed. Geerage is at the Arctic Ocean, Beaufort Sea, looking to go for a dip because that's what everybody does around here. So
It's a bit cold.
it's a big pool. It's a bit cold.
I'm leaving my towel close to.
I'm here. So anyway, here we go. We're doing this.
Good job, Bruce and Donna.
Keep filming. They did it. Whoa!
Thanks, you guys. Couldn't have done it without you.
Cool Geerage's Arctic Adventure.
And they're still alive to tell the story.
Yeah. That was nice.
You're such a liar.
Cool Geerage moment right here. The two lovebirds.
Whoa.
Arctic. Beaufort Sea, Arctic Ocean. Right there.
We did it.
Hands in the air like you just don't care.
My toes are cold.
Now get us out.